attention to the national capital that also witnessed the horrific deaths of a mother and her toddler son who had gone to the local market when they got caught in the downpour. Amid the waterlogging there, they fell into an open drain on which construction work was being done. We have a report from the spot. Take a look.
The civic apathy in Delhi NCR continues. On one hand, where 3 students lost their lives in Old Rajendra Nagar due to waterlogging. Here is the another incident that took place yesterday night in Khoda area in Delhi NCR, where the duo of mother and son lost their life due to drowning. Now here are the visuals that we are showing you from where mother and son were traveling, and in fact this is that particular drain where they slipped and then they kept on drowning, and then the water was, what we are being told is that the water was approximately till 8 to 10 feet. However, the residents have also told that this is not for the first time that such kind of incident is taking place in this area, and in fact the water level and in fact the flow was so high that they kept on flowing for approximately 1 to 2 feet, and then the JCB was called to remove all these covering of the drainage. And in fact what we are being also told is that the time of the incident is told in between 7:30 to 8 p.m. and the lady who died is a 23-year-old along with a son who is 3-year-old. So the apathy continues in Delhi NCR. The blame game of the political parties continue, but the saddest part over here is that the main sufferer is just the common man.
And in fact, in a shocker, the family of the deceased woman Tanuja and her son Priyansh claimed that the police were late in arriving, and when they finally did arrive, they asked the family members to tie a rope and go into the drain to attempt a rescue. The mortal remains of the deceased had already moved about half a kilometer where they were finally found.
7:30 में बजे के आसपास फोन करा हुआ रेस्क्यू टीम में। आधे घंटे में पहुंच गए थे वो लोग। पहुंच गए
कितने लोग?
टोटल 8-10 लोग होंगे, पुलिस वाले भी थे उनके साथ। और जो खोड़ा का वो SHO थे, शायद बोल रहे थे कि SHO है करके, मतलब में कोशिश कर रहे थे वो लोग। मतलब पहली बार हुआ एक्चुअली मैडम, क्या हुआ कि DDA का नाले में न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा है, तो उसकी वजह से पहली बार ही हुआ। जहाँ पे ये हादसा हुआ वहाँ पर हमेशा पानी भरता है।
आप अभी क्या मांग करते हैं जिस तरह से
हम मांग ये करते हैं, फैमिली बहुत कमजोर है, वैसे भी मतलब प्राइवेट जॉब करते हैं, बहुत फैमिली कमजोर है, कोई मुआवजा वगैरह मिल जाए, उचित मुआवजा, क्योंकि उसका तो पूरा घर ही बर्बाद है। तो शिकायत दर्ज करवानी थी, कल रात पुलिस वालों को हमने दर्ज करवा दी है। वो केस जो है दिल्ली में चले गया है, दिल्ली वालों को हमने सारा जो है कंप्लेंट वगैरह सारा लिखवा दी है।